Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now if you're new to my video series, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk all about pools, and we specifically focus on fiberglass pools. And throughout all the videos, we answer a lot of your frequently asked questions about fiberglass pools. And one of the most common questions we get is about one of the many benefits of your fiberglass pools. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to go over how long it takes to install a fiberglass pool. So let's dive in. Okay, so we've covered a lot about all of the different benefits of fiberglass pools. One of them being the fast installation process. The amount of time it typically takes to install a concrete pool can definitely be a deterrent when you're thinking about putting a pool in your backyard, because having your entire backyard torn apart for 3 or 4 or even as much as 6 months, which is the amount of time it takes for a concrete pool to be built in your backyard, definitely doesn't sound like a lot of fun to most people. And pools are supposed to be fun, right? So when people find out that you can have a fiberglass pool installed in your yard in 3 to 6 weeks, not months, it definitely makes them pretty excited about fiberglass pools. In one of my other videos, I covered the 6-step installation process for fiberglass pools, so you're going to want to check that one out. But the simple fact is, the pool itself is typically in the ground full of water running in about a week, sometimes 2, depending on whether or not there's rock and how the excavation process goes. And now, even though there are several weeks after that of finishing things up and getting the concrete and your landscaping in, you can actually technically swim in your pool prior to all that happening. So it's not uncommon for people to enjoy their first swim in their new pool just a matter of days after the installation process starts. So in addition to them being less expensive, to requiring less maintenance and using a lot less chemicals, your fiberglass pool can be installed in a lot less time, allowing you and your family to start enjoying it much sooner. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, like it and share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it, and I'd love to see your comments or questions as always. And if you'd like to reach out to our sales department here at Gary's Pool and Patio, you can always call 210-494-5002. We look forward to talking to you soon, and we can't wait to help you get swimming.